What is the science of happiness? Is it really a myth that money can't buy happiness? And what are the proven ways to increase our happiness levels? As a psychiatrist and a clinical professor of psychiatry at a major medical school, I've devoted my career to understanding the science of happiness. And in this video, I will share with you some key findings from my research that I believe can help you live a happier life. So let's start with the basics. What makes us happy? According to my research and the research of other experts in the field, there are 3 basic ingredients for happiness: good health, strong social connections, and a sense of purpose or meaning in life. Now you might be thinking, well, duh, everyone knows that, but it's not that simple. For example, we know that people who have experienced severe trauma or abuse can still lead happy and fulfilling lives. So it's not about the absence of negative experiences. Rather, it's about how we cope with and recover from those experiences. We also know that happiness is not a static state. It's more like a skill that we can develop and strengthen over time. In fact, there's a saying in the field of positive psychology that happiness is a habit, and I couldn't agree more. So how do we develop this habit? The first step is to cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that has been shown to increase our happiness levels. When we focus on the positive things in our lives, no matter how small they may seem, we create a positive emotional state that can spread to other areas of our lives. Another way to increase our happiness is by practicing acts of kindness. Acts of kindness have been shown to increase our happiness levels and decrease our stress levels. So it's a win-win situation. Acts of kindness can be big or small. It could be volunteering at a local soup kitchen or simply smiling at a stranger. Finally, we need to find meaning and purpose in life. This could involve pursuing a personal project, spending time with loved ones, or simply helping others. The key is to find something that gives us a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. So is it true that money can't buy happiness? Well, there is some truth to this saying, but it's not absolute. Money can buy us many things, including the things that we need to survive. But it can't buy us happiness directly. However, money can indirectly contribute to our happiness if we use it to buy things that we need or to pursue activities that we enjoy. So in conclusion, the science of happiness is a fascinating field that has taught us that happiness is a habit that we can develop and strengthen over time. By practicing gratitude, acts of kindness, and a sense of purpose, we can lead happier and more fulfilling lives. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and share it with your friends. And if you want to learn more about the science of happiness, I encourage you to read the book, Happiness, A Guide to Developing Life-Sustaining Habits by Dr. Sonia Lubomirsky. You can find the book in the description below. Until next time, take care and remember, happiness is a habit.